Welcome back to the Spring Cleaning Tips series. I am Zoe Linda and I'm here with day 3. And I know we've spoken about affiliate links and sales pages, and today we're going to get a little bit more serious and talk about the legal side of running your affiliate program. The tip for day 3 to spring clean your affiliate program is to review your affiliate terms and conditions. Whether you call it your affiliate agreement, terms and condition term, your affiliate contracts, whatever you use, you need to make sure that it's up to date. I know this is something that people either forget, like they have an affiliate agreement and they forget to update it when they make changes, or they just don't have an affiliate agreement in the first place. So if you do have one, it's time to give it a refresh. If you don't, just stay tuned 1 second and I'll get into it. But it's really, really important to keep your terms up to date. So we're going to dive in today on some of the things that you can edit. But if you don't already have an agreement in place, I know it's something that can feel really daunting, and I know it's something that people kind of like put off thinking about. But it's also just really incredibly important for establishing trust and clarity between you and your affiliates, offering legal protection for both parties in case anything goes wrong, and preventing anything to go wrong in the first place, preventing misunderstandings and disputes. That's why I really recommend grabbing a template written by a lawyer to help you get started. So you're not just staring at a blank page being like, what do I put? So I do have some affiliate links here. So I have, I'm not going to read them out, but you have them on the screen. And I'm just going to go through some of them. So I basically have this $30 bundle of contracts from Not Your Average Law. And this is by Braden, who is amazing. And he basically has like a bunch of contracts that you can get in one bundle. And it includes an affiliate program agreement. And that's like $30. So kind of a no-brainer. Then we have Nicole Shari Odin, and she has terms and conditions for affiliate programs for $147. Again, super easy. You get everything that you need. All of these templates like give you really clear places to add your information, to edit things, and all of that. And I just wanted to give you some different options. Then we've got Boss Contract Society, which is run by Casey Handy Smith, who is also amazing, and you can grab this template here for $297. And then there is Jamie over at Contracts Market. And I know that her template's kind of skewed more to Canadian business owners, but she also does have one suitable. She has like 2 different options. And her template is 197 Canadian dollars. So there's a few options for you if you want to get started, if you don't have an agreement already. But if you do, I'm diving straight into the action step, which is that I want you to open your affiliate terms and conditions or your agreement or your contract or whatever it is, and make sure that the following elements are up to date. And if they're not already in there, then make sure you add them into your terms. So the first one is commission structure. Have you changed the percentage of your commission or the fixed amount that people receive? Have you added like a bonus structure where like if people make X amount of sales within X amount of time, their commission goes up? How long does that go up for, and by what percentage does it go up? Just making sure everything in there is really clear. Then we have the payment terms. So if you've made any changes to how affiliates are paid or when they're paid or what information is expected of them to be paid, like maybe you created your affiliate agreement before signing up to something like Thrivecart, and in Thrivecart, to do automatic payouts, you need affiliates to have business PayPal accounts. So maybe you need to add that into your terms. Like we require you to have a business PayPal account in order to be paid. And maybe your the amount of time that passes between a sale and when you pay them out, maybe that has changed, or maybe you never added that into your terms and conditions. We also have a cookie policy and attribution model. How long do your affiliate links cookie people for? Who is attributed to the sale? Is it the person with the first click, the last click? Do you have some kind of model in place there? Has anything changed in terms of data protection and privacy? This is especially important if you've switched affiliate tracking providers, or anything's changed in the way that you handle your customers' information and the way that your affiliates interact with your customers' information. So, for example, if you're using an affiliate tracking tool that doesn't give affiliates information about the customer, maybe it just gives them their name, maybe it just gives them their email address. That's something you might want to mention. But if you're using something like Thrivecart, for example, your affiliates can see the names and email addresses of every customer they've sent your way. So that's something you want to maybe like mention or link to. Maybe you want to add some kind of like confidentiality agreement in there. Then we have terms of termination. So you might have had like a sticky issue with affiliates over the last, quarter, 12 months, couple of years, like whenever you last looked at your affiliate agreement. And you might say, you know what, I want to make sure that this doesn't happen again. And I want to make sure that it's clear if somebody breaks certain terms of the agreement that they're going to be removed. So if you have something coming up, then you might want to make sure that that's not going to happen again. Or just make sure that if it does happen again, that it's covered in the agreement and you have like the right to remove them. Then just any legally sections like, confidentiality, like the what's the word I'm looking for? The length of time that the agreement it lasts, what jurisdiction you're in, that kind of thing. Just make sure that's all up to date. And if you do make any updates, be sure to update the date of the last time you edited the agreement and inform your affiliates of any changes. The number of times I've been in an affiliate program where they've changed the commission, they've changed the cookie length, they've changed the affiliate tech, and how our information is handled, and they don't tell us. So yeah, be sure to have like that level of clarity and keep that level of trust between you and your affiliates. So I'm going to show you an example. So this is the affiliate agreement that I wrote for Referral Pie. I actually used kind of like a whole mashup of different templates. I know I had a lot of help with templates that were in the Contract Club. So Braden's like $30 templates. And off the top of my head, I cannot tell you the other templates that I used. So I can't give credit to like one specific thing. But yeah, just kind of this was a great kind of amalgamation of like all my years of experience in working in an affiliate program to actually have to like write something. And yeah, apart from having help with a few of the templates that I have, I sort of yeah, and it was a bit of a mashup. And I think this is one of the more it covers a lot in this agreement. At the top, I do have like a quick summary. I think this is really helpful for people to know like the key details instead of having to like read the whole thing. So there are a couple of things that I need to update in this agreement. I've swapped my affiliate tracking software from Rewardful to Thrivecart. I was previously having customers of Referral Pie use Stripe checkouts, and now I've swapped it back to Thrivecart. So I need to update this part. And here I have like a link to the Rewardful privacy policy. Further down, I have a section, I think. Oh, maybe I don't. Let me have a look. Rewardful, I definitely mention it here. Oh, affiliate links. Yeah, so I need to also edit this part. The affiliate links are generated and tracked by company's marketing system, Rewardful. So I need to change this to Thrivecart. And there's a couple of other mentions of Rewardful that I need to change to Thrivecart. But otherwise, I think the rest of it is fine. I haven't changed the commission amount. I haven't changed the payout period or anything like that. So yeah, that's probably what I'll be doing. And then I'll have to change the date of the last update and let all of my Referral Pie affiliate partners be aware that this has been updated. So I just wanted to give that example, and feel free to have a look at these referral terms, referralpie.com/referral terms, referral hyphen terms, sorry. If you want to have a look at this, I think is like very, it kind of covers all bases. So pretty happy with that, and that's something I'm going to be updating. But yeah, speaking of updates, if you have been enjoying the spring cleaning tips series and you're finding kind of, yeah, a lot of things that you might want to change with your affiliate program, then keep an eye out for my annual spring cleaning sale. That happens on Monday. It's going to be full of tools and resources to help you give your affiliate program the refresh that it deserves. Like I said, the sale starts on Monday, and if you want to join the waitlist, you're going to get access to all the deals one day early. So head to zoelinda.co.uk/spring-cleaning, and you can fill out a form there to add you to the waitlist, and then you'll hear from me on Sunday, May the 12th, where I'll be giving you access to everything a day early, which is great if you need a bit of extra time to decide what's going to be right for you, to browse through things. And yeah, just make those decisions. So let me know if you have any questions about the edits to your affiliate terms and conditions. And otherwise, I will see you in the next spring cleaning tip.